So it is finally time to decorate for fall, and I'm extremely excited. As some of you know, I just moved into this new old historic house, and you'll probably laugh, but we actually don't even have our furniture here yet, but I have started decorating for fall anyway. So my first project is to make a fall tree. So I'm going to transform this Christmas tree, this artificial pine, into a fall tree. This actually is not a small artificial tree. This is the top of a probably 7-foot slim tree. I just decided to use the top because it's the perfect size to fit in this tiny little rustic wooden crate, and just kind of a nice size for a tabletop tree to just set anywhere. You could even have it on the floor in a corner, but it's just a more fits anywhere size of a tree. So I basically just used the top section of the tree and placed it in this box. You can use a couple things to keep this sturdy. I used just kind of the lower branches of the tree to sturdy this so it doesn't, move around. But if your tree is a little less full, you could use just pretty much anything to stuff the bottom, or even floral foam to hold the tree in place. So the tree already has some nice orange colored lights, and these lights are actually from Dollar Tree. So this is 2 of their 5-foot light strands. But I'm going to get started decorating. And there you have it, a finished warm fall